Alright, today I have a PlayStation 5 that dies in the middle of playing a game. This should be an easy fix. Let's take this thing apart and see what's going on. Taking a look at the liquid metal here, it looks like it's spread out, but there are some dry spots. However, it does look a little bit funky, so I want to see what's going on here. The whole thing is crusty on the outside. What is this? I've never seen such corrosion. This corrosion on the heatsink. That's so weird. Look at how it's breaking off into little pieces here. Wow, I've never seen this one before. This is pretty odd. Let me try to clean this up and see what happens. Yeah, this is some contaminated liquid metal here. This is weird. Okay, so this is the best I can do with isopropyl alcohol. I might need to get a chemical here to get the shine back on the copper. Let's try something out. Alright, so I tried the first solution here, home remedy, vinegar and salt, and we kind of got somewhere, but I want something a little bit more stronger. Alright, this is attempt number 2 with something called Glugon. And yeah, we're almost getting there, but I still want something stronger. This cannot happen. I did another minute of Glugon and I'm at the shiny surface, but this is gonna take a long time. I need something stronger. Alright, so I took out some WD-40 here and we got the best results so far, but still not good enough. No way. Check it out. What I found works the best. WD-40 and a cigarette filter. No way. Look at that. With only a minute of rubbing, it's almost gone. I can't believe it. It actually worked. It's perfect. Look, and that's what it looks like, the filter. It sucked up all of the oxidization with a little bit of WD-40. Boom. Wow, look at that. That looks nice right there. Perfect. All right, now we have to take care of this chip right here. Let's see what we're gonna do. I have my stack of Japanese Q-tips here. All right, and I spread it well enough here. Now we need to apply a little bit of liquid metal to the heatsink over here. Okay, I got a thin layer here on it. Nice. All right, I'm gonna put it back together now. I just put it back together here, connected it. Let's see. It still powers on. That's a good sign. Okay, we have it on the screen here. Let's play a game for a little bit and test.